In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a star rating in Wix. Adding a star rating can be a great way to engage your website visitors and to gather feedback on your products or services. It's simple and easy, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, locate the website where you want to feature the star rating. Click on it and it will open in the website editor. The website editor is your control center for customizing and adding elements to your site. Here you can see various options on the left side of the screen, which help you enhance your website's functionality. The next step is to add the star rating to your site. Begin by clicking on the Add button on the left-hand menu, which will bring up a list of elements you can incorporate into your web page. From the menu that appears, select Contact and Forms. This section contains not only contact forms, but also other interactive features like star ratings. Once you're in the Contact and Forms menu, you'll want to create a new form, which will act as the framework for your star rating. Click on Create New Form, and a blank form will appear on your page. Now locate the star rating option from the form elements. Click on it, and just like that, you've added a star rating to your form. To make sure everything is in order, remember to save your changes by clicking the Save button. This will ensure that your new rating system takes effect on your website. After saving, you can exit the dashboard to see your updated page. Now you'll notice that the star rating feature is present on your page, but it's time to customize its position. You can easily drag and drop it to wherever you think it makes the most sense. This might be near your product descriptions or perhaps closer to the bottom of a blog post, wherever you think user feedback would be most beneficial. And there you have it. You've successfully added a star rating to your Wix website. This not only enhances the interaction users have with your page, but also provides valuable insights into their views and experiences. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful tips. Thank you for watching and enjoy customizing your Wix site with your new star rating feature.